Hello, welcome. Today I'm doing an experiment and I am in my workspace in my own house and I have my voltmeter, but this time I have switched the settings to hertz. And I have electrode in my hand, it's connected to the meter, and the black cable is going to the ground. And what we can see right now is that my frequency is around 2 kilohertz or 2000 hertz. And hertz means vibrations per second. So 2000 vibrations per second are going through my body right now. And what I want to show you is that when I touch my desk is made from metal, what's going to happen to my frequency? And what we will see is that it will drastically go up, more than doubles, or it around doubles. When I don't touch it, my frequency is lower, and when I touch the metal, which is indirectly connected to the electronics from my laptop, from my screen, all the kind of things that's in there, and we see that my frequency is going up when I touch it. And therefore, by the way, when I am close to it already, my frequency is going up. Even just by being around it, in the field, being in the field, not even touching it, my frequency goes up. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, and also I wanted to learn you that. But also I have a quick side note. This is about spirituality. A lot of time I hear people say, hey, we need to raise our vibration. But what I think what they mean is that we should raise our wavelength. Because when we reach lower frequencies, like delta waves, alpha waves, beta waves, our brain functions more optimal. And it has healing properties. And when we are in an unhealthy electrical environment, in artificially high frequencies, we see that it clearly has an effect on my body. And when I distance myself from it, and I clean up my electrical environment, I let less EMFs touch my aura, we see that my frequency goes down. So, I hope that you learned something today. Thank you for watching. See you in another video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you.